frost here last night. So we put a bucket of hot water in here in the little greenhouse. Looks like the plants have survived. The tomatoes are okay. Other stuff hasn't coming up. Cucumbers are doing good. Peppers are coming up a little bit. The other stuff hasn't even started growing. The hops are doing good. The hops are growing good. All three plants. I got to get at these soon. But yeah, that was close to a frost last night. So we want to protect those. We'll come into the brewery here, make sure the heat's on. Make sure my heat is going good in here. And get a rating of the beer. 62. On this one, 63. This one is actively fermenting. She's at 64. But she's warm, so that's all that counts. I hope this thing don't fall over on me. It's starting to lean. That can't. We'd have to have some strong winds for that to happen. All right. Whew. Okay, back to my little garden here. I got some hot peppers coming up in here. Boy, you should be out in the sun. I'm going to get some more sun anyway. In the greenhouse here and put them up here. These are peppers, hot peppers and whatnot. Got some more zucchini. Got some, what do you call it, basil. Oh, that don't look too good up in there. Probably needs water. Some more peppers. Oregano, actually, that's oregano. Oh my God, 40 tomato plants. And we put a ton of tomato plants in back there where the wood is. I'll show you later when I get back there if it dries out. And the garden over here, a little garden. We got some zucchini, 2 zucchinis in there. Mess of radishes, some peppers, green peppers, bell peppers, green beans. Oh, I forgot what else. I think that's about it. And we're going to get at these hops now, 2021 season. We got to start pruning these hops, 2021 season. There's my wires going up there. And she'll be full before long. These things go all the way up to the sun, for Christ's sake. So what we're going to do is we're just going to leave a couple bines. They're called bees with bine. A bine, how you doing? Not a vine, a bee. So we're just going to get in here. We're going to snip away and get some of this stuff out of the way because it's just too much. Too much. I'll end up throwing this out. Do want to pick one more big one that's going to come up this way. Hang on. That'll be this one, I guess. So let's hang that up out there. We don't want to cut that one. We'll cut everything around that one for now. Let's get in here and see what we're doing. This overgrowth will not produce a lot of good hops if you just leave them on here. So, yeah, this is the one we're going to train up another string, which I got to run here today. But for now, we'll just wrap it around the pole. So we know we don't want to cut that one. And then just find out what's going up here. You want 1 or 2 per wire. Anything else is just going to strangle it out. So don't be afraid to get in there and cut it out of there. Like this. We're just going to snip away. I should have scissors. And as you thin it out, you'll be able to see what's going on in here. So yeah, we're not gonna bore you with all this. This is all the cutoffs already. And I got 3 of these big plants. This is the 5th year. I'm losing track. Maybe it's the 6th year I've grown these hops. 5th year, I believe, in these pots. I got 3 of them. And in these pots over here, and I'm not showing the other one, that's spinach. Oh, we got a nice crop of spinach when that comes up. So back to cutting these hops, and we'll get on to the next plant. It's doing hop plant number 1. We got 1 or 2 binds coming up each string. I'll separate this one if it's too much to the other string. There's probably too many on there yet. Go ahead and string this one. Come up this way. So this is hop plant number 1. So we're going to go over to hop plant number 2 and start trimming that one up, which is over here. I'll probably sit down and start doing this one. There she is. Needs a lot of care here. So, whew, let's get it going. Way too much. So yeah, we're just going to work these around here, pick a couple good binds with a bee. And let these come up over here. Of course, I got a plant coming out of the ground back here. That could be a mistake. I got one planted right in the ground. That's going to come up there and really goof the floof. So on we go. I'll show you what this one looks like when we're done. Okay. Hop plant number 2 of 3 in pots has been trimmed, and she's on her way growing. We left 4 binds on that string, 2 on that, 2 on that, 2 headed to the deck, and 2 come out of the ground. How you doing? You know, more hops you can shake a stick at. And then we'll come over to hop plant number 3 and 4. One's in the ground, and the rest has to be trimmed up. So let's get going on it. Not going to be easy. Got a lot of tangle on this one. The wife needs this cage back, so there's no guarantee I'm going to get it out of here. But we'll get started on the trim up of plant number 3. Number 3. That's the best I can trim it right now. We got a couple coming up that string, couple on that string, couple on this string I might have broke. 2 plants coming out of the ground, another plant coming out of the ground. Grapes are budding nicely. They're coming in nice. And here's the tomato plants we put in 7. Got 7 there. And we got another 4 in here. Ton of radishes. Zucchini. 2, 3 different types of peppers. Beans. And I forget what else, one other thing. So the main thing was to get these hops, get these ready here, because they start to grow real quick and fast. I got a feeling we got way too many in this one, but that just means we'll get more hops. It's amazing after the 6th year that you'll get a ton growing out of pots like that. And we'll see what we get for a grape harvest this year after all the trimming. And we got some weeding to do back there by the air conditioner. That'll keep us busy. So for now, we're going to finish our coffee. It's one of the decent days we can get out here and do a little work. All right, Mr. Rupert. Right? In the little greenhouse there, we got a ton of tomatoes to plant yet. Got some thyme. Some other spices. Another zucchini. Some more peppers. So we're running out of room. And we finally got some mint. Back in that pot over there, we started to grow some more mint. Got from my daughter's house. So yeah, we'll keep that in a pot so it don't go crazy on us again. Right, Mr. Rupert? Right? You need a shower? You need a shower bath? Alright, so let's finish our coffee here. Let's finish our coffee here. Why wouldn't I? Such a nice day. Oh, look at that. I got one. I'll take that one. Take that one. I'll take that one. It's a little one. And we'll let the other ones grow a while. But we went ahead and we we uncovered. So she was such nice weather here. And she's clearing up. Gonna run the filter for a couple days. I can start to see the bottom now. So yeah, we'll be swimming shortly. So there you go. Got the hops all done, trimmed up. Of course, we got to water them. Everything into the ground. We got some mint there, snow peas. The other side we got carrots and garlic. Love the garlic. Didn't clean up my tube from down covering of the pool. We got some spices here. I forget what they are. Some more tomatoes. Tomatoes coming out the kazoo. Spinach, more radishes. Gotta get this watered, I suppose. Of course, I got horseradish growing like crazy too. I got a mess out here. Gonna finish cleaning up this mess. Put some mat down here. Spread some stones, and that'll be it. And do a nice cookout on the grill. There's your snowball bush there, coming in really beautiful. We've had it here for a long time. Gorgeous looking, gorgeous looking. So the hops are actually, well, it's taller than me. It's about up here. And this is the 5th year, I said, or 6th year growing in the pots. I forget. Got a couple little baby peppers down there. But I'm going to go eat these radishes. I like them with some salt. Why wouldn't I?